But then Jesus was alone. And his 12. Who are the 12? The apostles. See, there we have the apostles.
So what is different between apostles and disciples?
Exactly. The apostles are the 12. Apostles equals sent. To send. The sent. Jesus chose 12 and sent. The disciples equals students. Nothing special. The crowd are students. The crowd are disciples. The 12 are sent for a job. So these are the special 12. Those around him with the 12 asked him. Sometimes they could not understand Jesus. That's interesting. Jesus is perfect, but his teaching is not perfect. Sometimes they cannot understand. Topic, idea. What do you do when people do not understand you? When you are talking and someone does not understand, I can't understand what you mean. What do you do? How do you explain yourself to other people? So Jesus asked them a question. He answered, the secret of the kingdom of God is yours. The 12, you have the secret. Everything comes in parables. Sometimes they look, they do not perceive. Perceive is understand. They look, but they do not understand. They listen, but they cannot understand. They might turn back. Sometimes people will not understand. Even Jesus, sometimes people will not understand. Even I try so hard. Even you try so hard. Even you do your best. The people do not understand. And Jesus must give up. Topic, idea. When do you give up? When do you give up? This person will not understand. I give up. This is a hard problem. We love people, usually, but sometimes the people do not come back. I give up. When do you give up on people? This is a topic idea. The parable. So Jesus explains the parable. It's easy to understand. We read, it's not so difficult. The sower sows the word. Some are like this. Satan comes. Others are like this. Here's the word. They that's happy. No root. Very, very easy to understand. They have no root. Others like seed and thorns. Ouch. But the worries, right? And then there are choking and money. Oh, I like money. And those seed on good ground. Here's the word. Welcome and produce fruit. There are 4 kinds. So the question usually is, what kind are you? The question usually is, what kind of person are you? This is a bad question. This is a bad question. The question is, who do you tell about Jesus? We want to be like Jesus. We want to be like Jesus. I want to be like Jesus. Jesus is a storyteller. We are storytellers. 4 people listen to Jesus. 4 kinds. Rock and soil and bird and good. 4 kinds of people listen to Jesus. What kind of people listen to you? Topic idea. Who are you talking to? Who are you telling about Jesus? What kind of people listen to you? Not what kind of seed. Okay, we will stop there and start again. Start again.